In this video, I'll cover everything you need to know about cornering lights, where they're located, how they work, and how to replace the bulbs and relays. I'll be using my 1983 Lincoln Continental Mark VI Emilio Pucci coupe for the demonstration. And this applies to all 1980 through 1989 Lincoln Mark VIs. The town cars from the same era may have a similar setup. Cornering lights provide extra illumination to help the driver see better around turns, improving safety. They are located at the front corners of the vehicle, just behind the turn signal lamps on both the driver and passenger sides, between the wheel well and the bumper. When the turn signal is activated, the cornering lights come on. To access the bulb, turn the front wheel. Inside the wheel well, near the light assembly, you'll find the lamp socket. Gently twist the socket to remove it from the housing. The relays for both sides are located under the steering column, mounted on a bracket. For my vehicle, I use Motorcraft model D74B15A 217AA relays. That's it. Be sure to like and subscribe for more videos.